G37 gang. It was like a windy day today. I got bad hair today, so I ain't showing myself on camera. But I got drill and slider rotors, power stop pads for the back. Figure I'll make a video for you guys, man. I haven't posted in a while, so let's get to it. All right, so a lot of you guys I see on a lot of other brake videos ask where to jack this car up so we get both wheels up. Most people say the diff, man, but that's not a good place to be jacking your car up. But if you see before the diff, there's this rear subframe. I like to jack it up right there to get both wheels off the ground. Hopefully you guys can see it. Take the wheels off like every video. Alright, off comes the wheel. How bald that thing is. I know a lot of you guys don't have this problem, but I got wheel spacers, so I'm gonna set the emergency brake to break them loose, but remember to take them off so you get the rotor off. All right, taking the spacers off now. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but you gotta take these little pins out to be able to move the slide pins. These little pins here, 2 of them inside. Right there. All right, you just use a punch to get the slide pins out. Punch or a little thin screwdriver. Then they should come out on the back side. Pull them out here. Back side of the caliper is 2 bolts. That one, this one down here. Crack them loose with a long 19 wrench. All right, hopefully you got a long wrench because these bolts are really tight. All right, once you got these 2 bolts out, 2 ones, caliper should come off easy. Go. Off, sit them up here so you don't mess anything up. These are pads that were inside. Yeah, pretty thin. This one too. So now you got the caliper out. Put the tool in here. Wrong way. Rotor off, just give it a good hit. That's it, it comes right off. Alright, this is the new rotor. Make sure you put the right side on. This one says driver side rear. Looks like driver side rear. Spray it off with a brick clean. That's clean enough to put on. Take the sticker off later. Remember to transfer the rubber cover from the old rotor onto this. Guys, always remember to adjust your e-brake, parking brake, before you put a rotor on. This one's not going anywhere. Tight as it can get without being applied. So you put your rubber cover in. Alright, so you just put 2 caliper bolts on the back, tighten those up, and then install the pads. Alright, this kit comes with all new hardware, 2 new pins, hardware, pads. So match this up with the old one. It's got the little silver piece in the corner. Put this one on the inside. Just walk it in there slowly. Another new pad this side. Make sure these are facing outwards. Walk that pad in there. Alright, now you lay this guy across here. Alright, put the bottom pin in because it's hard to hold the camera and do it at the same time. Second pin goes in also. Here. Alright, straight through. And then right here, you want to spin this so the get your pin in there. Alright guys, make sure you your little clips are in for the pins. And yeah, that's it. New pads in, rotors on. Look at that, looks good. Alright man, thanks guys for watching. There you go, finished product. That's how they look.